Although every single one of ours are good.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the stage, Brandon Montgomery, Fendt Marketing Manager.
Can you hear me? Hey, welcome everybody. We're going to sit up here on the stage just to divert your attention here for a little bit because we got a good unveiling here that we're going to start. But welcome me on the stage here today. We've got RJ Simmons. Come on up. Christy. We'll do introductions here. Brian Long.
Agri-tier was talking about.
Joe. Dave.
Dave Jack was up there?
We met. Yeah, good to see you guys again. Thank you. Yeah, good. Come on, take a seat. So, slide over one, Brian. So, what we're going to do here today, we're going to talk a little bit about the sponsorships with the bowling league, and then we got a special unveiling that we're going to show behind you here today. But just for introductions, why don't you go ahead and start, Brian, and introduce yourself and what you do. My name is Brian. Where you living right now, Brian? Okay, what's your daytime job?
Where's Dan White?
That's exciting. It's really exciting. And you've been working on this special project for how long now?
About 2 months.
2 months, so it's something exciting. And who we got next to you here? The statement, this isn't my first rodeo, applies to you really well, right? How long have you been doing working in the pro bowling league?
He went down there.
And now, have you actually driven the tractor?
I have not. I've just been on the side.
Okay.
I'll just say, like 90s, probably when I started.
Late 90s. And who you got next to you here, RJ?
RJ Simon. Simon Says Motorsports out of Farley, Iowa. So we got a lot of old vehicles, and happy to have you join here and help Brian and his team. Yourself and Hank Rivage.
You're the guy that actually gets his hands dirty.
I'm not going to say that, but they can apply to everyone. There's a whole crew out here, Brad, Mike, Gavin, Jim, Ryan, Brandon, guys at home, Chris, Tom's a big crew, and help build us, DJ, Kyle, all the guys back at Jerry Bear, Blackbird Racing Components there, they're all ones that have a big hand on this thing.
Perfect. And I see these really cool hats. Christy, on the side of the hat is a special logo. What is that logo?
That is the Fendt high stakes logo. New series that just comes out in 2026 that we're really excited about.
Tell us about that. What is the Fendt High Stakes Series? How many pulls are there? Is there some money involved?
Just a little bit. So we've got 5 events, 5 two-day events during the summer, which I can pull those dates up for you. This is the biggest payout in truck and tractor pulling. The first deal, you're $2.7 million between getting all those fun events, and there is a year-end points up there.
Yeah, it's a great deal. There's 5 events, 2 of them are in Ohio, one's in the greatest place in the world, it's in Farley, Iowa. So I'm a little biased, but yeah, really excited about those. One in North Carolina, one in Michigan. Really just put this thing together. They want to bring Poland to a different level, bring some money into the sport, and really excited to bring Poland to another level in the sport. We could have done it without Fendt and Fendt coming on board.
There's a maximum of 120 competitors in 8 different classes for this series. The first event starts out on June 5th and 6th at Durham and Dragway 42 in West Salem, Ohio. Then RJ's event is June 19th and 20th at Farley, Iowa at the 300 Raceway. July 10th and 11th at the Milan Durham and Dragway in Milan, Michigan. August 7th and 8th, Durham National Trail Raceway in Hebron, Ohio. And then the season finale will be at Durham Motorsports Park in Vincent, North Carolina. It's exciting. I know there's a lot of talk and excitement behind it.
The late classes are going to be obviously 10,000 pound pro stocks, there's Unveiling here, your tractors, all beds and super modified tractors, the super semis, which is really cool class. And then two-wheel drive, super modified two-wheel drive trucks, mini rods, and super farms, 4-1 pro stocks. Really excited, bringing all these big classes together. It'll be a lot of smoke, and it's going to be a lot of fun. Any of these events you won't want to miss. It's going to be something that's never been done. Each class is going to run for awards each night. The first place prize of over $10,000 every night. That's unheard of. Yeah, it's pretty awesome.
And this is all in cash, in bags that people can take home then, or how do they actually get the cash home?
No, that won't quite be in cash and bags.
Still digital, Bitcoin.
Yeah, probably. It's definitely very little fun. So it's pretty cool to start earning some real money and prize money into the sport. You see what goes into these tractors. It's pretty awesome.
So in a little bit, we're going to actually turn our attention behind us. So on the stage here, right behind us is a black silk screen over top of something here that maybe has 5,000 reasons why you should turn your attention behind it. But just on behalf of AGCO overall, AGCO Fendt, AGCO Massey Ferguson, thank you, David and Joe. Don't go anywhere. We got a lot to talk about here yet with you guys. And we just appreciate you guys, what you do for the sport, the industry, our farmers, and how you guys are really helping drive attention, to us, right? So we're helping each other out, we're growing the business. And with that, what we're gonna do now, you turn your attention, get your cameras out, we're gonna show you something really special. So on the count of 10, let's all count down from 10 down to 0, and we're gonna pull that screen off. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's lift off the curtains.
Alright, let's go grab us a cold beer.
I think it's beer 30.
That is unbelievable. I've seen only pictures on the phone, texting back and forth with this. But RJ, you're the one with your team getting your hands dirty on this thing. Tell us about it, man. What's going on?
1050 Fendt. It's available at any of your Ag Revolution dealers. You can buy the same thing, right? Just Yeah, just go talk to one of them. But yeah, no, just it's an awesome piece. Put a lot of time into this. Like I said, DJ Sullivan, sheet metal work, did a great job in paint. Round Precision Machine did the powder coat on the chassis. Blackburn Racing Components, Josh Blackburn, his team on the chassis mill. Riverside Engines for the engine. Weimer Performance for the fuel and air. CM pulling tires for the tires. And just really excited to bring this thing to the Fendt High State Series and the I-Train Pro Bowling League. And happy to be on board with the Fendt team, Echo brand and everything. And couldn't thank Revolution enough. And I don't know who that poor guy was that bought that tractor without a hood, but it's rolling around somewhere, right?
And when is this tractor, is it going to actually be in the pool here?
Yeah, Saturday at noon, I get to drive it, or a lucky guy that gets to wheel it, so as Brian's been telling me, no pressure, but you gotta win. There's a lot of pressure. My brother will help put more pressure on me before it's over. And, but I'm really excited. Just an awesome piece. Couldn't do without Brad Walkup. He's our head wrench behind it. He put everything together. Put a lot of long nights into this thing. Mike Mullins, and just the rest of the team. Flawless polishing. Gavin Hunt polished this whole tractor. Did an awesome job. Making it shiny. So couldn't have done him. My amazing wife, my mother's here. All of them. A lot of late nights. Just Brandon's wife. Put a lot of time and energy into this thing. Just happy to be here.
And I started this project.
Thanks, buddy. Take care.
I think that's very impressive when everyone's telling me it can take us 7 months to a year to get one built, and they did it in 2 months.
Yeah, the timeline was short, but as someone told me, just make it happen. We put that on. There's a billet piece in the front that says make it happen, so that's what we did.
I think the most incredible part is that you stayed married through the whole thing in that short amount of time. So big thanks to your wife, your mother-in-law, everybody's family that's involved. Because it's not just it's a one-person thing; it's a whole family event, right? So I mean, it's your whole family's got to be deep-rooted into it and invested in what you do. So big thanks to your family and everybody behind the scenes.
Yeah, just can't thank them enough, and everybody there. Like I said, there was a lot of late nights and a lot of head scratching when we were changing things and making this all work. And just really happy to be here, and just honored having you guys' booth, and hope everyone enjoys it. And thank you.
And are you here the whole time now to answer questions? So you guys are here at the Atco Built Lot. You're going to stick around, answer questions for guests, people that want to come up and poke and prod.
I'll be here for a little while, but eventually we got to go. My brother runs the morning on tonight, so I'll be got to get that thing ready to rip, and then my brother runs a pro tomorrow, and Brett Meyer, our teammate, runs on Friday. So just got a few things going on this week, but for the most part I'll be here. But everyone only gets 2 questions. The third one will cost you $10.
And we'll be cheering you on. So Saturday at noon, this Fendt green tractor will be pulling down the lane. Stay here Saturday. Hope you guys can make it and watch this thing for the first time. No pressure, RJ, at all. For the first time, starting it up, getting down the pole. Probably the biggest pole in the country, right?
By far the biggest indoor. Yeah.
No pressure.
Hey Brandon, Saturday afternoon's okay. It's Saturday night. We want to see you get on the track.
That's the goal. We're gonna try to punch the ticket, but a lot of big guns pointed at you. So everything's got to be perfect, but we're gonna give it our all. That's one thing we don't. We come to win. The whole team, the Simon Says Motorsports team, our father, kind of read that into us. So yeah, pretty excited.
That's awesome.
I'm going to use up my question.
You got a
Can I use
question?
up
You're
my
next.
question?
You're
I'm
next.
not taking over yet, but I had a question.
Okay.
Behind you, he probably doesn't know. Behind you is a picture of your shop, I'm guessing.
Yes.
I see some other stuff back there. Were you working on those too? Is that how?
No, those have been on the back burner. We're working on this thing only at this time. Those are. We'll worry about them here in a couple months. But you guys just did awesome. We were working on other pro stocks. We had 4-inch mod to get ready, and
somehow we managed to get this thing together. If you had asked us a month ago, and said we're not going to make it, there's no way, but we never gave up and we make it happen. Well, don't go anywhere. We're going to switch gears a little bit. We've got more exciting news with Matt Ferguson.